Okay, today's August 28th. This is Ruby Red. I got the young ones out. They've been out for an hour now. They've been ripping around and coming around from all different directions. I don't know where the hell they went behind that tree. But anyway, yesterday at the swap meet, it was a lot of fun. It was nice seeing people I haven't seen in a long time. And it was a good day. And I wish my brother John a quick recovery. And it was good seeing B-Rob. There's the babies again. I want you to look at the pattern of their flight, the way they fly. They act more like homers than what they do triplets. But don't forget, these are out of the Sheffield line that New York Tony had. And they're known to fly for hours. But I have Macclefield's, Canadians, whatever you want to call them, for a long time. And the young ones couldn't keep up with these. But you know that they're shedding, and they're shedding the down feathers real hard now, and they get them little pins in them, and that's painful, and also it gives them fever, so they don't want to fly. So my solution to that is give them 2 or 3 days rest and let them out. You enjoy. Have a good day. Peace out.